So I just did an unboxing, but I did it wrong. Like forgetting to turn the camera on. So I'm doing it again, but I'm not. I'll just show you what I got from who because I'm not putting them back in the boxes and wrapping them up and all of that. So camera's on. These are from Selena's Little Country Home. I got these because we lived in Germany several times, and when my in-laws came over to visit us, um, they got us some of these as they traveled to the other countries. And I have some of these in my storage unit, which I don't have access to, so I kind of needed these. This I got from Dawn's channel, Little Bird House. I like things with wings like angels, butterflies, birds, and there's a fourth thing, but I don't remember right now what it is that I like. I do have a plan for this, but that's for another video. And this one is from Scooter Renee. It's a portable, rechargeable juicer. Last summer we tried juicing a lot of the produce that we got from the A&H Farm to Table box. I thought this might be a little bit easier to use, so may try that out next weekend. Hopefully I did this one right. We'll see, but thanks to all three of them for shipping everything so it doesn't break.